Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. This video is all about Windsurf versus Cursor, which one is better. Both of these tools promise to make coding faster, smarter and more efficient, but the question is which one actually better for you. So let's break it down. First, we start with the Windsurf. It is a more recent AI-driven IDE. Unlike Cursor, it doesn't just focus on code snippets, it aims to handle larger projects. Windsurf uses agent mode, which allows it to work on files and tasks across your project in a structured way, almost like an AI peer programmer. If you want to use it, simply get to its website and download it. On the other hand, Cursor is a fork of Visual Studio Code but enhanced with built-in AI features. Think of it as VS Code plus ChatGPT tailored for developers. It helps with auto-completion, generating codes, and explaining errors. If you want to use it, simply go to its website and from there you can download it. If we talk about the key features, so Windsurf has agent mode for multi-step coding tasks. It can plan and execute changes across multiple files. It has built-in context management so it can remember words it's working on. And it is designed to handle bigger, more complex coding sessions instead of just one file at a time. And in terms of ease of use, Windsurf might take some time to get used to because it's a new environment, but once you learn it, the AI agent experience feels more advanced than what Cursor currently offers. On the other hand, if we talk about the cursor, it feels very natural. The interface is almost identical of both of these platforms and you can start coding right away. And if we talk about the key features, so Cursor is a strong autocomplete powered by open AI models, inline AI chat inside your code, debugging help, quick explanations, and refactoring suggestions. And it works seamlessly if you already use VS Code extensions. Talking of interface, so Windsurf has a clean modern interface with a dashboard that feels intuitive, making navigation between coding, debugging, and AI features straightforward even for beginners. For Cursor, the interface is minimal and focused, closely resembling traditional code editors, but with AI tools neatly integrated to developers so they don't feel overwhelmed while coding. If we talk about the comparison between their prices, so Windsurf has four different plans. One is free, then pro, teams, and for enterprises or business. You can check out their prices and whatever you like the most, you can go for it. And if we talk about the pricing for Cursor, they have individual three plans and also two plans for the teams. So you can use the one based on your need and requirement. So the question is which one is better? If you want a lightweight VS Code style editor with AI built in, go for Cursor. It's stable, simple, and great for daily coding tasks. But if you want AI that can handle bigger coding projects, manage multiple files, and act like a true partner, Windsurf is the stronger choice. Ultimately, it depends on your workflow. Cursor is better for quick and simple coding help, while Windsurf is better for project level AI collaboration. So that's all about Windsurf versus Cursor. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment if you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.